Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 10th of August to 16th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming week. Alright, so let's see. For those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what are the messages for my Pisces for the coming week. Let's see. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and then we will see at the end what are the universe messages for you as well. So last shuffle please. So at the back of the deck it's the Death. Alright, so that we'll see that whether it is transformation or whether it's some kind of ending. Okay, so let's do your reading now. Alright, so this is some kind of not ending. I would say that this is not an ending, but it is more about that situation where there are so many things in your life that you cannot just deal with everything at once. That is why you have to leave something to do something else. So that is what I'm seeing over here. Alright, so your past energies are Ace of Cups, Four of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. There was a love situation where somebody was not letting go of, where you are just holding on to a person over here that I won't leave you at all, at any cost. Okay, so in present, what happened? 10 of Rods, 2 of Swords and 8 of Swords. Okay, so but this holding on started pressurizing, started getting somebody started getting tired of this situation. Somebody started to feel that where I am in this relationship, somebody started that I am just trapped in this relationship, I am being pressurized because of this situation. This person started to feel that whether it's you or them, whosoever this is, somebody started, there was a confusing state where somebody was not able to decide something, and that is why that thing actually started making you feel or them that I am being trapped in a particular situation, I am being pressurized by someone. Okay, so in your future energies, I got 7 of Cups, Ace of Swords and 3 of Cups. So more confusion, but at least this confusion is actually more about, I have a lot of things in my life. So I'm seeing that somebody is coming, this present energy, whosoever this is, whosoever the person is, started feeling to get indecisive, started getting a feeling of being trapped. This energy is leaving, and in future it's more of a clarity energy where things are getting clear in front of you, and you might even start just getting rid of those bad energies, those trapping energies, and you're moving towards something at least which will give you happiness. So that is what you are. So I'm seeing that you are leaving this situation, whosoever this person is. This involved a lot of dominance, a lot of pressurizing someone. Alright, so let's clarify now. What do we have? Let's see why the Death is here. Why the Death is here. In the overall energy, death. Okay, Two of Wands. Okay, what else do we have? Page of Swords. And Three of Wands. Alright, so Two of Wands, Three of Wands, and Page of Swords. So this energy over here is telling me that, you know, the decision, whatever decision is there in present energy, the decision has been taken. You know, after Two of Wands, Three of Wands is coming, the decision has been taken. Now all the work, whatever the work was started in the situation, the work has been started, and now the person is waiting for the fruition, now is waiting for the things to go on slowly but steady, at least. So that is why, you know, I'm seeing that this energy is really, whosoever this person is, I don't know, but this energy, this person actually want that I need a change from my life. I cannot be just, because I'm seeing that someone is getting really pressurized by someone. Someone is feeling like I cannot do anything in my life. I have to always, whenever I have to go, I have to ask this person. This person always keeps on, you know, just keeps on spying me out of nothing, and checks my phone, checks my messages and all these stuff, and I cannot do what I'm supposed to do in my life, because it started from love. I'm seeing that in your past energies. Let's clarify what is this Ace of Cups in your past. Why is this Ace of Cups over here in the past energies? Why is the Ace of Cups here? King of Swords, Lovers. Okay, Nine of Swords, King of Wands. Okay, and so love was there, but I'm seeing that more than love, I'm seeing, see these energies, King of Swords and King of Rods. More than love, I'm seeing that somebody was, you know, somebody was a practical person and someone was more of a passionate one. So whatsoever the connection or the relationship started, it was more about more than love, it was more about practicality, and the other person found someone attractive. Okay, so it was an attraction, yes, because it was new, it was good, but somebody was not ready. I'm seeing over here that someone, like a proposal came to you or to them, you given to them, but the one who was getting the proposal was not ready. You know, with the Nine of Swords, I'm getting that energy that it is not about the full both sides love situation. Someone was waiting that this person might accept my proposal, but the other person was not ready. Other person had something else in his or her mind, you know, about more about your career, your other life. So this person just entered, and, you know, blindly this person entered in this situation, because I don't see a lot of love in this situation. Alright, let's see, why is this Four of Pentacles in your past energies? Why is this Four of Pentacles here? Somebody really wanted money from a situation. See, Six of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, and Ten of Wands. It's more about a situation where, more than love, somebody wanted some money stability, you know, where this person really shouldn't do a lot of hard work and just get the money, just get everything whatever this person wanted, because this person is holding on. See how this person is holding on to the pentacles and leaving behind the family. So that is how the situation I'm getting, that whosoever this person was more about, you know, money, and I will get money because this person is rich, And see, with the Six of Pentacles, this person owns a lot of companies, industries. With the Queen of Pentacles, this person is really wealthy enough, and that is why, you know, the other person started feeling that I am getting a pressure, I am entering in this relationship with a lot of pressure. So one was the one who was not involved in a love kind of, actually both, in both the scenarios, the other wanted money and one didn't want anything. One actually wanted that I cannot be in this relationship, it is giving me a lot of, you know, tiredness, a lot of, I'm just full of burden in my life now, I'm feeling burdened with this person. So why is this Two of Swords in your present energy? Let's see, what is this Two of Swords? Ten of Swords. Alright, as expected. Because till, you know, how much time are you going to carry this kind of burden in your life? It will, some time or the other, you are ready to offload that burden. Either it's now or later, you will offload that burden. You will never carry this kind of burden, you know, just for every time. You cannot do that thing. Let's see what else do we have for Two of Swords? Queen of Cups and Death. See, so this ending, Ten of Swords with Death, there is an ending over here. So this person, whosoever is this, who is feeling like I am not able to decide what to do in my life right now because I am feeling that kind of pressure. But this person, you know, whosoever with whom you are dealing with, is really very much, how to say, because I'm not feeling, this Queen of Cups is not giving me good vibe. This is more of a manipulative energy. You know, this person makes you feel manipulated, and you start feeling that, you know, this is not love, and you have started feeling that. So that is a decision you are going to take. You are going to end, or you have already ended, because this is your present energy. Let's see what is the Seven of Cups in your future energies. Why is it here? King of Pentacles. What else do we have other than King of Pentacles? Ten of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. See, you are working towards new things in your life. You might even start something new in your just coming future, because this is just your recent future. See, this is something you have just started. You might invest in something new, some kind of new project, and you will get the results really fast. Because Page of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, it's like a student becoming the master of that work. So that is what you are going to, and you are going to get a lot of money, or whatever this is. Might be, you know, you even meet someone new like your type. So because this person was not your type, and you have a lot of things now, you are no more in that energy, that past energy. It made you feel really burdened, but now everything was clear. Your head is clear, basically. You are feeling free finally. So see how the way you are rejoicing with the people around you. You are going to family functions, you are going to parties and everything. I'm seeing this, a lot of positive energy coming your way, because your past and present was something hell. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so not this one, sorry. So now let's see what is the universe telling you. What are the messages from the universe, please, for my Pisces? Some messages, some advice regarding the situation. What kind of advice do you think Pisces has to listen? Okay, once again, there are too many cards. Okay, I'll take this card. What else? Three of Swords. Okay, Five of Rods, Three of Swords, the Moon, and Ten of Pentacles. Okay, so the universe wants to tell you that if you are going to get involved in something, you know, some kind of a competition, some kind of a heartbreak situation, just keep it hidden. Keep that thing hidden. Don't let everything come up in your life. You know, when you are happy, you don't have to tell that I'm happy, because no one around you is also happy. You get what I'm telling you? This is what actually, this is something which everyone knows, that when you are happy, you don't have to tell everyone that you're happy. It's just that no one else will be happy for you the way you are happy for yourself. And see, with the Ten of Pentacles, you will only get this kind of happiness in your life if you will start making things, you know, hidden, not expose everything, whatever you are going through, whether it's sad or whether it's some kind of happiness. Alright, so that was the advice from the universe, and I hope it helps, Pisces. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.